How to use Apple gift card to buy at Apple Store. Today we are going to talk about how you guys can use Apple gift card to buy anything at Apple Store. Now here we have two options. So the first option is if you want to buy online or at the physical, you can do the both by using this method. So suppose you have an Apple gift card and you want to buy, some of the Apple product like, the AirPods and stuff. And so how can you use that? In order to use that, you need to redeem your card into your Apple account. So how can you do that? In order to do that, you have to go to App Store. In your App Store, you have to tap on your profile. Then you will see these option here. You have to tap on redeem card or code. And then after that, you will see this page here. You have to either, enter your card details manually, or you can use camera to scan your Apple gift card. After that, your money will be added to your Apple account. Now, afterwards, you can easily pay contactlessly, or you can have, this Apple card. This is an Apple Mastercard, which you can use anywhere. So you can, do anything according to you. Just if you want to buy online, in online, you'll easily be able to put your card details right there. If you are at the store, you can easily swipe this card to pay for your products. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.